InstaVolt, and this is how to charge your car when you're out and about. I've done a video on how to charge your car at home. This is near Crawley, and this is InstaVolt's new facility. So it's got solar panels generating some electricity, an actual field full of chargers, and I guess this is what the future is going to be like. And you've got free Wi-Fi, free toilets, and you've got a Starbucks. And for most people, you're only going to be here less than half an hour. And it all actually works, whether you use the app or you just touch and pay with your credit card like you would do for fuel. A field of chargers. This is the future. So this being a hybrid, it will fast charge, but it fast charges up to 40, and you can see that the InstaVolt there is doing it at 38. If you've got a pure EV, then obviously it will charge much faster, but even for a plug-in hybrid, that's really good, and that's the fastest we've achieved. And compared to yesterday with the BP that actually just blew up, we had a really large explosion in the Harvester car park, this feels a lot safer. And then you've got a little screen there, you can see the percentage full, and it's zooming through, which is fantastic. Bombing away there. So when you get down to the last part of filling your battery, it's a little bit like your iPhone, it goes at a slower rate, it doesn't as fast charge. So you can see now this has dropped to 9 kilowatts, so we're going to call that a day. That's certainly enough power that we need for the next few days. So there's your receipt. I guess that gets emailed to you. This shows you maximum speed here up to 160 kilowatt. It's cheaper to charge at night, and it's cheaper to use the InstaVolt app. You can tap your bank card or your phone, but that ends up being the most expensive method. A field of chargers, solar powered, free toilets, and a Starbucks. This is the area for longer vehicles, I guess, if you turn a caravan or buses or lorries, but you've also got vacuum, air and water there as well. So if, like me, you've not seen this before, this does feel very futuristic. It's not long been opened, and I hope this is what we'll see everywhere in the future. We won't have any petrol stations, but we will have these mega charging places, and it just all seems to work seamlessly. So well done, InstaVolt, compared to BP and a lot of the others I've tried, which has been fraught charging away from home. I think they've nailed it here. So I hope you found that useful. Maybe that takes away some of the fear from charging your car away from home. It's certainly getting a lot easier. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and come back every week for my tips, my trips and my tunes, which all my music under Paul Gates is available on all the streaming services. This is Paul, very close to Crawley. I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.